What's up, guys? We're in the clubhouse. We're doing the giveaway stuff for the auctions. Finally home from National. It has been a very long week. So we got everybody in here. James Watkins all the way down to Danny Gordon. And then we got our current time. I'll just do the one timestamp. Live at 2:28. It's 2:28 here in Denver. So we're going to go 3 times, guys, and then top 10 win like always. Top 10. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, and 3. Kyle Witter on top all the way to Marty down at the bottom. I actually forgot to post the prizes, but anyway, Kyle, you get a Dubois rookie auto from SP Game Used. Chris, you get a Sorelli sick rookie logo patch from SP Game Used. Patrick Rubo, you got a National Bouchard rookie auto. Rankins, you got a multiple SP Game Used rookie patch. Rubel, you got a Brett Hull 0 Celsius from Chronology. Matthew Smith, a Svechnikov ingrained. Dave Koch, you got an Oscar Lindblom Future Watch auto. Chris Rankins, you got a Vinny Trocheck OPG Platinum auto. Regan, you got a Mike Jobert auto from Chronology. And Marty, you got a Clint Eastwood autograph. It's not Clint, actually. It's some guy I haven't heard of from Chronology. So there you guys have it.